Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd of September, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got mixed number, take 2. Not every student will have this assignment, as there were some that did well on the previous ones and were able to opt out. And for the accelerated math, we've got practice 3.2. That is in our Big Ideas textbook online. Also, due this Friday. All right, read the rules in Google Classroom. You've got extra credit number 1. That is due coming up then. In science, we need to finish our triple beam balance worksheet. If you're not complete it in class, this is a worksheet. It is on paper. In social studies, you need to use the timeline form number 1. Please make sure that you're using the paper timeline that was handed out today by Mr. Canfield. I also believe he does have that posted in Google Classroom. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook, chapter 8 entry. This has to deal with our memories this evening. In literature, our AR is due October 9th. We need to keep reading and taking AR tests. We're just now 3 weeks away from that deadline. In careers in life, we need to finish our babysitting questions and also need to continue putting in time for our goal for working on our working project. That's going to be it for today. I hope everyone has a fantastic Wednesday.